You ever just see some people and you can see the evil on them? Like, talk truth. You ever see some people and you can see the evil on them? Hi guys, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Thank you so much for hitting that thumbnail or clicking on the link that brought you here today. My name is Bethany, and over here we do videos that... This is not a 3-word channel. I was watching a video and the lady was saying that, you know, your channel you should be able to sum up your channel in 3 words, and the 3 words should be related. Well, this channel is about my life and there's no way I can sum up my life in 3 words, so that's not happening over here. Anyhow, today is what? Today is the 7th of December, so this video is gonna go up on the 8th. So it's Vlogmas day number 7. And I'm not doing anything Christmassy, as you have seen, because Christmas has not really been a thing for me, because my kids are always gone for Christmas, gone to their dad. So if you're new here, I'm divorced. Right? I'm separated. No, I'm divorced, big and serious, years now. Yeah, divorced. So I was saying, if you ever see the evil on somebody, it's just see them on. Yeah, I went into the supermarket just now and I saw a guy in there, and like I see him, I wanted to step back, and it wasn't because he was doing anything that was not, you know, whatever that. He wasn't doing anything out of the way. He was just walking out of the supermarket. He never looked suspicious. He was just coming out of the supermarket with something in his hands. But I just looked at him and me just get this vibe like, Urgh. Yeah, so I don't know. I just see the evil upon him. Look like a murderer. Anyway, that's not the point of the story. So it is, me just on the time, or did I just say the date? Okay, it's 2:55, so it's 3 o'clock. Now, of course, as you can see, me just start film. So today I got up early. I'm gonna tell you what I want for me. Since I never film anything, I eat a cornbread. I can't eat and talk. So I got up early. I did some writing, made the kids breakfast. I had a 9 o'clock meeting with one of the, what do you call them? Principal, primary. What do you call them? I don't remember what they're called. But it's somebody from the company. Okay, so I'm employed to a company here in Jamaica, and they distribute products for this company, and I work on that line of products. So somebody from that company, from the parent company, she's in Miami. So I had a call with her this morning at 9. Did that. Then I did some, what am I do after that? What am I do after that? I think I did some more writing after the call. I think I finished up some stuff. In all, I did like 4 hours. And I forgot to say this in my weekend vlog, you know. In my yesterday video, that morning, I actually get up from 3. I started working at a little bit after 3 a.m. and I worked up until 7. And then we looked at breakfast, and then we eventually left the house. Anyway, moving right along. So I'm on the road now, as you can see. I was supposed to pick up some wine for my clients and them Christmas gift, and it was supposed to be sent down on Saturday. Where I asked them to send it, they don't receive it yet. So I go to the ATM. The ATM now work for what I wanted to do. It's not working. So I'm just here like, I don't have nothing to do right now. So I come go my yard, because I had planned to pick up the wines and give them out to the people that are in this area, and we don't get to wine them. I was calling the young lady that sent them off. Hold on, guys. So I'm gonna start drive. I'm gonna get one phone call. Yeah, so I don't remember what I was saying. I don't remember where I was in the story. So the point was that my plans for the afternoon section of the day, well, because I don't have the wine, and it's the second week of December now. A lot of people close off their practices. Even if the practice is not closed, they're not actively there. So they'll have their support staff there, but they're not there. So I want to get them their gifts before the end of this week. So I just hope that I get them. Hopefully I get them tomorrow and I can do that tomorrow. So I'll just move over some of my writing tasks for tomorrow morning. I'll move them over into this evening, and then we can sleep a little bit later. I don't have to wake up early, and then we just get it done. I feel like there's something that I'm supposed to be saying that I'm not saying. I'm telling all the Scotia Bank ATM nobody work, and I'm tired. Like last week I went to the ATM and it was the same thing. It wasn't working. I had 2 transactions. It worked for one of the transactions and it wasn't working for the other one. And after I sit down in the drive-thru and something not fully functional, I decided to go in the line, the regular ATM line. I went and I said to the security, "Sicky, the machine at work?" Him say, "Yeah." I said, 2 of them. Him say, "Yeah." Go in there, the machine not take no deposit, and I wanted to do a deposit. So then now I'm go. I want to withdraw US dollars and I wanted to do a Jamaican dollar deposit, and none of them something didn't work. The Jamaican dollar deposit not working. I couldn't do a deposit. The deposit thing was grayed out, so the machine not take no deposit, and it had no US dollars in there, so I couldn't do a withdrawal. So I'm like, again, I joined the line for nothing. And every time I join the line, it's like around 7 cars in front of me. So I'm like, really, Scotia, get your ish together. And this is the ATM that's on the bank, and it's Monday. Like, why the ATM not fully serviced and ready to go? It's Monday afternoon. I understand, so over the weekend. But I assume that when you get to the bank Monday morning, you service the machine first thing, no? Because over the weekend you weren't there and people were using the machine left, right, and center. Don't you service the machine the first thing going on a Monday? I don't know, encourage people for not going at the bank. Like, seriously? Anyhow, that's another Scotia Bank rant for you. Yep. So I'm on my way home. I drove off, as I said. Nothing exciting. The excitement is coming down later in the week. Tomorrow I am going to actually go and buy stuff because I'm gonna bake on Wednesday. So tomorrow we're gonna go shopping for our baking. Then on Wednesday we're gonna bake. Then on Thursday we're gonna go do our nails, and we're gonna get waxed nice and smooth. And then on Friday we're going out. On Friday we going to our yes, my flash of them on. Okay, good, decent. On Friday we're going on. It's our girls' weekend trip. So see, the week is promising to be a fun one. So we'll go have weekend trip all weekend until I guess Monday morning will be the last girls trip post, and then the week after that now is what? That's the week before my birthday, so we're going to have birthday preparation going on. And it's not gonna be too much, but there'll be stuff to show. Alright guys, what is going on up here? So when I was coming down, there was a truck on this side of the road causing problem. I know that I'm going up there. So what happened to them? Them just in on the road with them flashers on. They just, it's three Voxy, or 3 Noah, or 3 of them vehicle past the truck, the road was wet in front of it, like something was draining out from beneath it, and I was like, ooh, I wonder what that. So we stop again because of the truck. Alright, so I think we need to stop chat because I'm gonna go home and edit this video. I think the good part about the videos like this is that there's not too much editing that has to be done to them. So there's not a lot of bloops and blunders to take out and no whole part. I'm in the car, so you know you go expect to hear cars passing and whatnot. So these are easier. I just need to cut out the silly faces, and sometimes I stutter and I cut those out as well. And yeah, cut out them something there, layer some music on it, and that should be it. Me still await. Okay, all of the vehicles are coming down. And I'm gonna go on and go eat my cheese bread. I never need to buy this cheese bread. I went into the supermarket to buy tissue. I'm gonna come out with tissue and snacks and cheese bread and Dr. Pepper. Alright guys, so today was just a little chit chat. Oh, I was telling you guys that I don't do Christmas, right? I police up on the road. Yeah, all under the truck is wet. Like, I don't know. It's just one police, so purpose can serve. Them fixing whatever is wrong with the truck. So Christmas, when I was younger, we never did Christmas. We were really, really young. I remember mommy used to put up Christmas lights. She has always baked. Always bake every year. But there was never much ado about it. No whole heap of excitement. No whole heap of excitement. There was never no whole heap of excitement about it. So it's just something that we just didn't do. And now my kids are older, and as I said, they don't spend Christmas with me. For the past couple of years, they haven't spent Christmas with me. They spend it with their dad. So I mean, there's really, it's just my birthday. The festivity of the month is my birthday, and I actually never used to do anything for my birthday. It's just the past 2 years. The past 2 years I do something for my birthday. And the first one was my friend, she just, we never know what they're gonna go on in my life. I had no clue. And then last year we all went out, and it was fun. It was fun. So this year I don't think it's gonna be the celebrations. It's just gonna be a me day, I think. Unless somebody have plans for me and I don't know. But I have plans for myself, and the plans that I have for myself is just for my birthday to be a me day. So yep. Alright, I'm done chat now. We're gonna eat my cheese bread for the 15th time. No, it's just the 3rd time, right? Alright, I gonna eat my cheese bread. Thank you so much for spending this time with me and listening to my jibber jabber chit chat.